Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can contact OfferUp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So OfferUp is a general app where you can buy sell things. So first of all, you need to simply tap it open to get in contact with OfferUp team. So once you tap it open, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the profile like icon on the top right hand side of the corner. Once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply scroll down below, and once you scroll down, you can find an option Help Center. So simply tap on that particular option called Help Center, and once you tap it open, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply scroll down below to find any articles related to your concern, or if you want to contact them anyhow, then simply tap on the click here option on the bottom of the screen. So once you tap on click here, you will end up in this kind of interface where you can find different kind of options for which you can get OfferUp's assistance. So simply select an issue and write about it or describe about it and hit the submit button. By this way, you can simply contact OfferUp. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.